Since the last time you saw me, I bought a new car. And what better way to break this bad boy in than with a road trip? Let's get to it. What's the date today? It is Friday, May 12th. Some of you might remember from the last video that my windshield of that car was badly cracked. That wasn't all that was wrong with it. I finally had to bite the bullet and get a brand new one. We're gonna take this baby for a test drive all the way to Soldotna, Alaska. First, I gotta pick up Dustin though. There he is. Hey! So the reason we're headed to Soldotna, Alaska today is for band practice. Now me and Dustin are in the band Thera. We've toured the world, we've recorded in several different states. We actually all have matching tattoos. It's also really sunny out today, so we're gonna drive with the new sunroof open.
All the way, as far as it goes.
As far as it goes, let's do this. Aw, yeah. People that owned the car before me were kind enough to leave me some listening material. We're taking a break in Girdwood right now. We're not even halfway there. Our band has been on hiatus for about 2 years, but now we're reuniting again and doing 2 shows this next Thursday and Friday. 3 of us live in Anchorage, Alaska, and 2 of us live in Soldotna, Alaska. And so that's why we're heading down to Soldotna, because we have to make a weekend trip out of practice. We're here, finally. Hola! In the world? My hair's back. No, wait, my hair's back. Hello to you too. It's
wow,
fine.
candid camera. I mean, we didn't expect it.
I did expect it, and that's why I did my hair.
Oh.
Alright, I'm picking my bed.
I'm gonna call this one.
No, I'm picking.
My clothes are already on it.
No, I just...
We remembered everything but earplugs. So I got, oh jeez. Secret stash of earplugs. Ronnie!
Dude, I looked last time, I couldn't find it. All I could find last time was,
oh, those big earphones?
right there, I see them. You should wear those, bro. They're cool.
I'll put toilet paper in. I don't.
Come on, they're cool. You don't want to look cool?
Toilet paper. See if this works. This is Stephanie. She's the vocalist. This is Ronnie. Ronnie's the vocalist and he's the guitar player. This is Mason. Mason's the guitar player.
Folks too.
Folks. Alright.
See if that works. Yo, what are we doing? Let's go to the bridge place.
Okay.
Let's do that. That's the plan.
You want to do.
Yeah, we're doing all the stuff I want to do, not what you want to do. Okay, so practice day 1 is done. We just ran through the set just once, so not much, but check out this sunset. Now we are gonna head to this place called The Bridge, which is a bar right on the Kenai River, which should be awesome. Watch the sunset from there. So Steph,
What up?
say hello to the vlog people.
Hi, vlog people.
The other two
I'm
right
a
here.
subscriber.
Disclaimer, I have not subscribed to the vlog.
Confession, I haven't subscribed and only watched the first one that was like, the sample was like a minute.
If you don't watch my vlog, that's alright. It's not bad. It's okay. That was the kind of hangout session after practice. We're gonna head back now, get ready for tomorrow's practice. Since we got a full day tomorrow, since we're already here, we don't have to drive. Really excited and feeling good about it. I'll see you tomorrow.
Spoiled rotten.
Oh my goodness, coffee and donuts in the morning.
Yeah.
Thank you, Stephanie.
These beauties. Yes.
Who's ready to play super loud music?
It's donut. It's so good.
On a scale from 1 to 10, how good is that donut?
10.
It's a solid 10. I like that. Camera set up. Let's video. All right.
It's too early for that, Steven. No
Let's-
vlogs at 11 a.m.
I vlog at 11 a.m. Let's put in our AirPods.
Get a little camera time.
Band practice for Saturday, round 1 is done. So we're gonna take a little break and head to Kenai River Brewery for a little lunch. Let's go. Sorry.
Thank you so much right now.
It's alright. How you doing? That was good, right, Dustin?
That was yummy, yeah.
Yeah, now back to practice.
First 4 notes of the chorus would be music.
Just do that again.
Not the first measure.
I really want to hold out the without you. Actually, no.
Better. Band weekend done. And now me and Dustin have the 2.5 hour drive home.
Sure do.
Yeah. Weren't even here for 24 hours.
I think we're gonna go to Mosquitoes. So.
Mosquitoes? You want to stop by there real quick?
Yeah,
Okay,
check it out.
we're gonna do that. Let's go do that right now. Alright, so that about does it for vlog number 2. That is band practice weekend. Thank you for following along. I appreciate you watching this video. And we're really excited about the 2 shows coming up this Thursday and Friday. Thank you to everyone who's bought a ticket so far. Other than that, I will see you next week.